7 Days virtual reality can be used to solve a training problem. One of the most intriguing applications of virtual reality (VR) technology is for employee training. By simulating a realistic environment, VR can provide employees with hands-on experience without the risks or costs associated with real-world scenarios. For example, a construction company could use VR to train workers on complex and dangerous equipment or procedures. It could also be used in healthcare to simulate difficult medical situations that require quick decision-making skills. In addition to providing safer training environments, VR can also enhance learning outcomes by making training more engaging and interactive. Studies have shown that learners tend to retain information better when they are actively engaged in the process. With VR, employees can practice tasks repeatedly until they get it right without causing harm or damage. Another benefit of using VR for employee training is its ability to personalize learning experiences based on individual needs and performance levels. By tracking user behavior and progress, companies can tailor the training programs to meet specific objectives and improve overall performance metrics. This data-driven approach not only helps companies save time and resources but also ensures their workforce is well equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in their roles. 1. Use VR for training simulations. Virtual reality (VR) can be a powerful tool to enhance the training experience by providing trainees with simulated real-life scenarios. This technology can help employees develop skills and gain knowledge through interactive experiences that mimic actual workplace situations. For example, VR simulations may include virtual machinery, equipment, and tools that are used in a particular industry. Employees can learn how to operate these machines without having access to them physically. Moreover, VR also provides a safe environment for employees to practice handling hazardous or dangerous situations without endangering themselves or others. In construction training, workers can simulate working at heights or using heavy machinery without any risk of injury. Additionally, VR training simulations can also provide an opportunity for trainers to test employee decision-making skills in difficult situations where quick thinking is crucial. As this technology continues to improve and become more accessible, it will become increasingly essential for companies looking to stay ahead of the curve in their respective industries. 2. Enable remote learning with VR. Virtual reality (VR) technology has been revolutionizing the field of education and learning by allowing students to experience immersive learning environments. With VR, remote learners can be transported to a different place, era, or even planet for an interactive learning experience. For instance, aviation schools are using VR simulations to train pilots on flying planes in hazardous conditions without having to put them at risk. Similarly, medical schools can use VR simulations for anatomy lessons where students can have hands-on experience with human cadavers without using real ones. In addition, many universities and colleges have started offering online courses where students from any part of the world can learn from experts in their respective fields. However, online courses often lack the personal touch and interaction that traditional classroom settings offer. But with VR technology, remote learners can feel like they are present in the classroom as they interact with teachers and peers through virtual avatars. This helps create a more engaging and interactive learning environment that replicates a physical classroom setting. Moreover, companies are also adopting virtual reality training programs for their employees who work remotely or across multiple locations around the globe. These training programs use VR simulations to provide workers with practical experiences related to their job functions such as equipment operation or safety protocols. By doing so, companies not only ensure employee safety but also reduce costs associated with traditional training methods. 3. Use VR for situational training. One of the most practical uses of virtual reality (VR) in training is for situational training. This method allows learners to practice their skills and decision-making abilities in a safe and controlled environment without any real-life consequences. Using VR technology, trainers can simulate realistic situations that employees might encounter in their jobs, such as dealing with an angry customer or responding to a medical emergency. By immersing learners in these simulated scenarios, they can experience how it feels to be in those situations and develop the necessary skills for handling them effectively. For example, medical students can practice performing surgeries or diagnosing illnesses without putting actual patients at risk. Similarly, customer service representatives can learn how to handle difficult customers without risking damage to the company's reputation. Overall, using VR for situational training is an effective way to prepare employees for real-world situations that they may face on the job while minimizing risks and costs. As technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, we may see even more innovative applications of VR in training programs across various industries. 4. Use virtual reality to improve employee retention. Virtual reality (VR) has the potential to revolutionize the way companies approach employee training and development. In addition, VR can also be used as a tool for improving employee retention. By using immersive experiences that simulate real-life situations, employees may feel more engaged with their work environment and position within the company. This engagement can lead to increased job satisfaction, which is often linked to higher retention rates. One way virtual reality can improve employee retention is by providing personalized training experiences that cater to individual learning styles. When employees feel that they are receiving quality training and support from their employers, they are more likely to stay with the company long-term. Another application of VR in improving employee retention is by creating a sense of community within the workplace. 5. Create a virtual customer service environment. One of the most innovative ways virtual reality can be used to solve a training problem is by creating a virtual customer service environment. With a virtual customer service environment, employees are able to practice active listening skills, empathetic communication strategies, and conflict resolution techniques. Repetitive scenarios can be presented to help employees build their confidence and reinforce desired behaviors. Additionally, this type of training can be customized for specific industries or companies to reflect their unique products and services. Conclusion on virtual reality. In conclusion, virtual reality has emerged as a potent tool in training and development across several industries. It provides an immersive and interactive experience that can simulate real-life scenarios, thus improving the effectiveness of training programs. From healthcare to aviation, manufacturing to military, virtual reality can be used to solve various training problems.